So, good morning everyone. Today we will study about the further questions of the GATE, that is from the 31 to 60. So, first question is that cyclohexane can be used as a solvent in the UV spectrometric analysis because first is it has a ring structure. Second is the energy requirement for the sigma to sigma is in the range of the 120 to 200 nanometer. C is the it is volatile. D is it is miscible with water. So the correct answer for this is the B. The energy requirement for the sigma to sigma bond is in the range of 120 to 200 nanometer, as the cyclohexane contains only single covalent bonds, and it shows the sigma to sigma bond transition at a high energy wavelength as 120 to 200 nanometer. Next question is quaternary structure in protein molecules referred to the. So the first option is the arrangement of multiple domains in a single polypeptide chain. B, specific arrangement of multiple subunits in multiple subunit in multi subunit proteins. Okay. C is the formation of molten globules. D is the protein folding in single subunit proteins. So for this the correct answer is the B, as the specific arrangement of multiple subunits in multi subunit proteins. So the reason for this is the quaternary structure, it is a specific arrangement of multiple subunits in multi subunit proteins. In the case of tertiary structure, it is a final specific geometric shape caused by a variety of bonding interaction between side chains on the amino acid. B is in the secondary structure, it is a specific geometric shape of protein caused by steric constraints, intramolecular hydrogen bonding of amide groups, alpha helix, beta pleated structures are common secondary structures. And in case of primary structure, the primary structure, it is the sequence of amino acids and location of disulfide bonds. It is due to the formation of the covalent bond and the peptide bond between the consequent amino acid and the disulfide bonds. So this is about this. And denaturation is the destruction of the secondary or the tertiary structure of the protein. It is due to the heat or chemicals such as the alcohol, heavy metals or urea. Question number 3. Intraleukins are. First option is polypeptide cytokines important in the inflammatory cascades. B, prostaglandins that account for gastrointestinal disorders. C, enkephalins which are specific for asthma. D, dipeptides which have antimicrobial property. So the correct answer is the polypeptide. Intraleukins are polypeptide cytokines important in the inflammatory cascade. And intraleukins are cytokines. The cytokines superfamily includes like interleukins, chemokines, interferons, colony stimulating factor, growth factor, and tumor necrosis factor. As whenever there is inflammation, it releases the inflammatory mediators like interleukins, then these other factors, TNR, TNF, that is tumor necrosis factor. Then next is the phase 1 clinical studies of a drug under development is generally carried out on first is the at least 10,000 people from different ethnic communities and a wide range of age groups. B. A medium-sized group of 500 to 1,000 patients suffering from the diseases for which the drug is being developed. C. A small group of 20 to 100 healthy male and female volunteers. And the D is the reliable in vitro cell lines derived from the people suffering with the disease. So for this the correct answer is C. That is a small group of the 20 to 100 healthy male and female volunteers is included in the phase 1 studies. Okay. Next question is that a young patient complains that he gets severe shortness of breath whenever he takes aspirin for headache. Increased level of substances responsible for aspirin hypersensitivity is. First drug name is the prednisolone, B is the prostacyclin, C is the ibuprofen, and D is the leukotriene LTC 4. Okay. So, aspirin hypersensitivity is due to the increased biosynthesis of the leukotriene, reflecting diversion of the arachidonic acid to lipooxygenase pathway. So, the answer will be for this is the leukotriene LTC4. Next is the match the following 36, that is the glycoside with their type. First is the genticine, second is genicetine, fourth is apigenin, and S is the quercetin. Okay, so for this the classification we have to study about the classification. So in this the genticine is a glycoside which belongs to xanthone type. Q that belongs to the isoflavone, and R that is the apigenin which belongs to the flavone type, and quercetin belong to the flavanol type. Next is the drug and mechanism of action is inhibition. Okay, ठीक है. Levofloxacin is topoisomerase 2, that is DNA gyrase, the enzyme that produces a negative supercoil. This is the answer. Then caspofungin, for this the answer is the synthesis of beta 1 2 glycan. Next is the astrionum. In the answer is the cell wall synthesis, preferentially binding to a specific penicillin binding protein. S is the rifabutin. Answer is DNA dependent DNA polymers. This is the mechanism of action of these drugs. Then next is the the bark and their diagnostic features or microscopic features. Then Khurchi, the answer for this is the alternating layers of the stone cells and phloem, non-lignified pericyclic fibers, prismatic crystals of calcium oxalate. Q is the cascara. The answer is the wavy medullary ray groups of the heavily lignified sclerite crystal sheath of calcium oxalate. Cinnamon. The answer is the pericycle with the stone cells having horseshoe-shaped thickening oil cell, minute needles of calcium oxalates. Cinchona, it is heavily lignified phloem fibers with Y-shaped pits, secretory canals, microcrystal of calcium oxalates. Answer is the C, you can read it. Next is the drug and receptor and agonist or antagonist. Okay, granisertan is 5-HT3 something. Okay, so this is about the answers. You can study about this. नेक्स्ट इज ओके, द फर्स्ट का आंसर जो था वो 5H3 एंटागोनिस्ट था. देन pyrazine. The answer for this is the pyrazine. The answer for this is uh, M1 antagonist. Sc-butalol. The it is belongs to the, I think it is beta something first, beta adrenergic or what. Yeah, it is beta 1 adrenergic receptor antagonist. Last is the baclofen. It is the GABA agonist. Next is the drug with their biotransformation. First is the chlorpromazine. The answer is the N-dealkylation. It undergoes metabolism by the N-dealkylation. Next is the thioridazine. The answer for this is the X oxidation. Diazepam, microsomal hydroxylation, and thiopenton is the desulfuration. Next is the drug with their 7 substitution in 1 2 3 1 comma 3 dimethylxanthine with, okay, it might be structures related. Okay, first is the P ka 1 Q ka 3. You can study from this about the structures and their. Next is the equipment and to determine. First is the cascade impactor. So it is in the particle size. And second Q is the tag open cup apparatus, that is for the to determine the flash point. And pycnometer, it is for the, I think, yeah, density of liquid. And rheometer, it is for the sedimentation rate. Remember about this equipment to determine. Answer is A. Next is the classification and penetration enhancer. In this, first is the ionic surfactant. The answer is the polyethylene 9-lauryl ether. Non-ionic surfactant, answer is polyoxyethylene 20-cetyl ether. Non-surfactant terpenes. Chelating agents is citric acid. Transdermal drug delivery system with the method of preparation. First in this is the membrane modulated system. Drug reservoir is encapsulated in rate controlling polymer patch. Q is the diffusion control system. Drug is directly dispersed in polymer patch. R is the matrix dispersion system. Answer is the drug is homogeneously dispersed in polymer and then molded into a patch. Micro reservoir system S. Answer is the drug is dispersed in hydrophilic polymer and then cross linked with the lipophilic polymer by high shear mechanical force. Next is the term used for the explanation. Okay, chromophore, it is for the chromophore, that is the carbonyl group. Blue shift is for the decrease in the wavelength of the absorption. Okay, oxochrome is used for the amino group, and the red shift is for the increase in wavelength of the absorption. So in this A is the correct answer, not C is the wrong. Okay, whatever I have said, that is correct. Next is the symbol and with their description. V is first is Q is for the fourth, that is the frequency. Then ID is for the diffusion current, and this R symbol is for the sigma, I think, delta, I think it is delta. Delta is for the chemical shift, and it is last one is for the specific resistance. Type of the inhibitor with their descriptions. So in this, competitive inhibitor is the binding of the inhibitor and that of the natural substrate are mutually exclusive. Non-competitive inhibitor binds with the same affinity to enzyme and enzyme substrate. Uncompetitive inhibitors have affinity for the ES complex and not for the free enzyme. Suicide inhibitors ultimately binds covalently to the enzyme process group, first in this process and required molecules. Okay, P is the post transactional modification, signal peptidase, DNA repair which include photolysis. Control of the prokaryotic transcription includes the sigma factor. S3 protein degradation which includes the proteasome protease proteasome complex. Then microorganism with their characteristics. Then Korean bacterium diphtheria, it is for the, I think, yeah, mastics के लिए होता है. Cells are lined side by side by like mastics and at angles to one another. Then Streptococcus pyogenes, it is cell divide in one plane and remain attached to form chain. Next is the Staphylococcus aureus, cell divide in the three planes in an irregular pattern producing bunches. Streptomyces viridochroma, that is the long branch multinuclear filaments called the hyphae. Then next is the condition with their description. Okay, first is the agranulocytosis, lack of neutrophils, anicytosis, it is something, anicytosis, anisocytosis. The answer is the abnormal variation in the RBC size. Aplastic anemia, it is related to depression of the synthesis of all types in the bone marrow. Hemolytic anemia is reduced lifespan of the erythrocytes, that is RBC. The method of developing transgenic plants by genetic engineering techniques, it involves the individual gene from one species inserted into the another. The offspring will contain the copies of the new gene. B is crossing of the two species or varieties differing at least in one set of the characters. C is exposing the plant tissue to radiation. D is the bioproduction of natural compounds under aseptic condition. So in the genetic engineering, we generally involves the individual gene from one species which is inserted into the another, so that the offspring will contain the copies of the new gene. So the correct answer will be A. Then 52. In the production of the transgenic plants, the gene transfer is carried out by the silicon carbide whiskers. Silicon carbide whisker. In this. Third is the in the design of the captopril, it contains the SH groups is introduced to enhance the binding to the zinc of the ACE inhibitor, ACE, that is the angiotensin converting enzyme. The captopril generally binds to the ACE. Next is the captopril. IP is assayed by titration of a solution containing 1.8 m sulfuric acid and potassium iodide with 0.025 m potassium iodide using the starch solution. Liposomes are used as a carrier for drugs and macromolecules are, in this the first option is correct, as liposomes are carrier which is based on drug delivery system, and liposomes are zwitter ionic amphiphilic phospholipids. So it is a phospholipid dispersed gently in aqueous medium to obtain multilamellar vesicles. So first answer is correct for this. And They can interact by different mechanism. In this endocytosis by phagocytosis cell of the reticuloendothelial cell, such as macrophage and neutrophils, they can act by the different mechanisms. In this, the liposomes are used as a carriers for drugs and macromolecules. So they interact by the different mechanism. Okay, and the answer is here. They had asked about the liposome as they are acting by the different mechanism. Okay. So 57th is the Chinese tree Camptotheca acuminata is useful in cancer chemotherapy. The camptothecin present in the plant and useful in treating ovarian cancer is first is the Etopside. It is a, I think, plant. It is also used in the anti-cancer. Vincristine is and C is the Paclitaxel and D is the Topotecan. So in this, the mechanism, the Etopside, the mechanism for this is the inhibitor of the topoisomerase 2, and vincristine act by the meiotic inhibitor, and paclitaxel is also by the inhibits the depolymerization, and the last one is the topotecan. It act by the inhibition of the topoisomerase 1, and in this the plant uses the Camptotheca acuminata. Okay, so the answer is the D, and it and the family of this is the Nysaceae. Nysaceae. Nysaceae something. Okay. 58. The drug selected above acts by the it act by the, okay, means they are asking about the topotecan. So topotecan, as I have already told, that it act by the inhibiting of the topoisomerase 1. 59. The compound A combines with the X to get converted into B in the presence of an appropriate enzyme. So here is the reaction can be described as, so the answer is the glucuronide conjugation. In this, the in this UDPGA, that is the uridine 5 diphospho alpha D glucuronic acid is treated with the UDP glucuronyl transferase, that is microsomal, and release the UDP. It get converted into the beta glucuronide plus beta glucuronide, and the alpha D glucose 1 phosphate. It undergoes the phosphorylase, in which the UTP is converted to the PPI and form the uridine 5 diphospho alpha D glucose, that is UDPG, and in the presence of the UDPG dehydrogenase, it is converted in this 2NAD is converted to the 2NADH plus 2H plus, and in the presence of UDPG dehydrogenase, it is converted to the UDPGA. So the last question is the significance of the glucuronidation in the drug therapy is that the reaction. The answer for this is the, it adds an ionic hydrophilic moiety facilitating its urinary elimination as other conjugation do, like sulfate, glycine, glutamine, glutathione, acetyl group, and methyl group, that is S-adenosyl methionine. So the correct answer is C. So these are the reasons from the 32 till 34. So you can study from here. These are the reasons which I had told. You can study from here, and the other is from here. It is of the 34 answer. 35. This is of the answer of the 36. And in this 34, the reason for that 34 question, the reason is here is these are the different, it is divided into the 4 clinical studies. The purpose is given in the phase 1 to check this safety, tolerability and the pharmacokinetic effects, pharmacodynamic effects. And the comment for this is it is conducted on the 20 to 80 normal healthy volunteers. So in the question they had asked about the phase 1 which are included. So the answer for the 20 to 100 normal healthy volunteers are included. Second phase, that is the small scale trials in the patient to assess the efficacy and doses. It is conducted on a group of patients, usually 100 to 300. Then third is the large scale controlled clinical trials to compare new drug with commonly used drugs, pharmacoeconomic analysis. In this, the comment is a double blind randomized multicentric trial on the 1000 to 300 patient. Fourth is the post-marketing surveillance detect rare or the long-term adverse effect. And the 35th, it is about the if it is in that question the person is suffering from something, and which of the following we should then aspirin is causing the hypersensitivity because of the which drug. So in this might be the question, you can read the question again for that, and this is the reason for that. This is about the 36th flavon, which belong to the which type of the flavon. So and here is the classification of the flavon. You can take the screenshot of it. You can also study about the bark and their microscopic diagnostic features of the plants. So these are the features. Okay, you can also take the screenshot of this. Thank you.